In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow pop-ups in Chrome, specifically when you're using Gmail. Pop-ups can sometimes be quite annoying, but there are occasions when they are necessary, especially for accessing certain functionalities within Gmail. So it's handy to know how to manage them. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through the steps to enable pop-ups for Gmail in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. There, you will notice an icon with 3 dots stacked vertically. This is the More button, which gives you access to additional options. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This action will direct you to the Settings page for your Chrome browser. Once you're in the settings, look to the left side of the screen. You should see a sidebar with different categories for settings. Here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. When you click on that, it will expand to show more options related to your privacy preferences and security measures. This is where you'll manage your browser's permissions for things like cookies, site data, and, importantly, pop-ups. On the Privacy and Security page, you will see an option labeled Site Settings. Click on it. The Site Settings page is where you can manage permissions related to individual websites, including pop-ups and redirects. Navigating further down the site settings, you'll find a section called Pop-ups and Redirects. Go ahead and click on this to modify your pop-up settings. On the Pop-ups and Redirects page, you'll notice 2 main sections: Allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects, and Not allowed to send pop-ups or use redirects. What you want to do is allow pop-ups for Gmail specifically. To do this, you will have to add Gmail as an exception. Click on the Add button next to Allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects. A prompt will appear asking for the web address. Here you simply enter https://mail.google.com and then click Add. By doing this, you are telling Chrome to allow pop-ups when you're using Gmail. This method gives you control to manage pop-ups without having them interrupt your browsing experience across all sites. Finally, once you've added Gmail to the list, you can return to your usual browsing activities. Simply close the Settings tab, and your adjustments will be automatically saved. Now, Gmail will be able to send pop-ups in Chrome without any blockages, so you won't miss any important functionality or information that might otherwise be masked by pop-up blockers. And there you have it, an easy way to allow pop-ups for Gmail on Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful for you. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about managing your browser settings. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing!